This is our academy in Holzminden. This is where we teach about innovative building technology from Stiebel Eltron. Today we describe how heat pumps can be successfully used in refurbishment projects. Ideal for new build projects, heat pumps can also be used to reduce carbon footprint and running costs for older buildings. When using high-performance, high-efficiency heat pumps, the existing distribution system need not necessarily be replaced. This reduces complexity and cost. Here are just two examples. A classic family house built in the 60s. In these older buildings, the heating system is designed to run at 70 degrees. This is very high by today's standards. The modernisation of the property in 1990 has already improved things. The required flow temperature is now 55 degrees. At this temperature, a modern heat pump can work very efficiently, even with the existing heating distribution system. Now let's assume that the house cannot be insulated. A new heater is required. Here, it will be best to install a heat pump. This is simple and does not cost the earth. This achieves a flow temperature of 55 degrees. There are no more obstacles to using a heat pump. At Stiebel Eltron, we have the largest heat pumps range on the market, and we have the right solution for any refurbishment project. What will they do without high heating costs, CO2, and their chimney sweep in their home? All that remains is peace of mind and a future-proofed heating technology. Join us again at Stiebel Eltron. There's lots to see and lots to learn, and plenty of room for good ideas. Stiebel Eltron. Feel-good technology.